1. Fruit salad for weight loss. Fruit salad is one of the easiest salads to make. It is high in fiber and water content. As fruits contain natural sugar, you can have them for breakfast. The sugar in it will give you enough energy for the day and deal with your sweet cravings too. Ingredients: 1 apple, diced, 1 pomegranate, 1 cup diced pineapple, 8 to 10 roughly chopped strawberries. 2. Chickpeas salad, low-calorie lunch substitute. Chickpeas are a good source of protein, dietary fiber, folate and manganese. These nutrients are important for the nourishment of the body when one is trying to lose weight. This is because low-calorie intake can rip your body of the essential things. It is a perfect lunch substitute. Ingredients: 3 cups boiled chickpeas, 1 cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, chopped, 3 tablespoons coriander chutney, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, black pepper and cumin powder to taste in a bowl. Mix chickpeas with all the vegetables. Add chutney and lemon juice and mix well. Add black pepper and cumin powder. You can add coriander as well for some freshness. This salad does not need extra salt. 3. Rocket leaf salad, a complete meal. Rocket leaves are dark in color, thus they are rich in certain phytochemicals that protect us from many types of cancer. Since these leaves are low in calories, you can have this salad for dinner. Other condiments that go in this salad make it a complete meal. Ingredients: 1 packet of rocket leaves, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 packet of button mushrooms, sliced, 1 cup of black and green olives, 3 to 4 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, 10 to 12 drops of honey, salt and pepper to taste in a pan. Put balsamic vinegar and bring it to a boil. Turn off the heat, add honey to it, and let it cool. In a separate deep plate, make a bed of leaves and throw rest of the vegetables on it. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Finally, drizzle the honey dressing on it. 4. Mediterranean quinoa, fiber-rich salad. Quinoa is a good source of protein. As it is a grain and not a type of cereal, it is fulfilling without being high in calories. The flavonoids present in quinoa are higher than that of any kind of berry. Since this salad is low in calories and rich in fiber, you can have it at any time of the day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.